Welcome to Verbal Reasoning Lesson 10. Today we are looking at combining words. You will be using your knowledge of compound words as well as your ability to look at a word and notice other words that are in it. Which two words here could go together to form a new word? Choose one from each group. Greenhouse. Sometimes the words are tricky. Work carefully from left to right. Take each word in turn from the first group and add it to each word in the second group. The first group of words is aim, over, and note. The second group is ring, let, and tear. Each time you combine a pair of words, ask yourself, is this a new sensible word? Saying the words out loud can sometimes help. Aim ring, aim let, aim tear. Are any of these a new sensible word? How about over ring, over let, over tear? Or note ring, note let, note tear. One of these is a new sensible word. Can you find it? Yes, it's notelet. Let's see if you can do some for yourself. Stop the video and try test 10A. Don't forget to come back to me when you have completed it. Now let's have a look at some more difficult words. Not all words are compound words. Some of them are pronounced differently when you add the two words together. Let's have a look at these words. Care, be, and make. On, am, and off. Care on, be on, make on. Are any of these a new sensible word? Work your way through each of them and see if you can find the combined word. Did you find the answer? Be am doesn't sound like a new sensible word, but when you read it as a whole word, it is beam. Let's try a few more together. Remember, work logically from left to right. Take the first word from the first set of words and try it with each word in the second set in turn. Then go on to the second word in the first set and try it with each word in the second set. Keep going until you have either found it or tried them all. The first set of words are arm, over, hand, with cream, some, and left. Which two can be combined to make a new sensible word? Hand cream. Now let's try the middle row. Out, off, in, mark, all and ice. This one is a bit more tricky. The answer is office. Now let's try the bottom row. Tall, ship and slip, gang, stock and way. The answer to this one is slipway. In the middle row, you may have thought that offal was a word. Offal is a word, but it is not spelt with 2 L's. Watch out for spellings as well as for words with hyphens. They are not a new sensible word. Now it's your turn. Go to test 10B and try these questions. Try this game to help you get better at matching 2 words. You can play this with a friend or a parent. You both need to have a dictionary. One person says a compound word, then the next person has to find another compound word starting with the second part of the first word. So mine are greenhouse to housework, housework to workman, and workman goes to manhole. Carry on the chain for as long as you can. You are now ready to take your verbal reasoning test. Go to Year 5, Verbal Reasoning, Test 10. Good luck!